Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. In this particular video, I am going to explain basic operations in list. Okay, there are like multiple operations are available in list. Let me explain one by one. Okay, and the first one is concatenation. So basically, what is this concatenation is by using this concatenation, we can add list. Okay, for example, there will be two lists. We can add the two lists into single list. Let me give an example. A is equal to 10, 20, 30 and B is equal to 40, 50, 60. Okay, now what I will do, I will take new variable, just I will add this. Okay, if I add and if I print R, I'll be getting output as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, the two list has been concatenated into single list. Okay, this is how the concatenation will be used. Now let's see repetition. Okay, so repetition is nothing but whenever we want the list to repeat multiple times, at that time we will be using this repetition. Okay, let me give an example. A is equal to 10, 20, 30 and this list I want to execute 4 times. Okay, so what I will do, A star 4. Okay, if I execute this, you guys can see it has been repeated 4 times. 10, 20, 30, like 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so like if we want n number of times, like we can just mention it as 10 times, it will be printing as 10 times. Okay, this is how this repetition will be used. Okay, now let's see the length. So length is nothing but length is used to find how many elements are present in the particular list. Okay, it is used to count that. Let me give an example. A is equal to, now I will write around 5. Okay, now just I will print this. You guys can see there are 5 elements are available in this list. Okay, the output is 5 and if I remove 1, I will remove 1 and let's see the output. See, 4. Okay, this is how the length will be used. And the next one is minimum. So minimum is nothing but it is used to find the minimum of the list, like minimum of the presented elements. Okay, so now let's see minimum of this list. Okay, minimum is 10 and if I change minimum is 3. Okay, so now I can see the output as 3. Okay, the same as we have maximum. Okay, let's copy this and let's paste it here. Let's see the maximum of A. So we have maximum of A is 50. Okay, this is how we can find minimum and maximum in list. Okay, the next one is sum. Basically sum is nothing but this is used to add the elements in list. Okay, let me give an example. 10, 20, 30 and just I will sum this. You guys can see the output is 60. Okay, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay, and the last one is membership. Basically this membership is nothing but it shows that is the particular element is present or not. If it's present, we'll be getting boolean values as true. If it's not there, we'll be getting as false. Let me give an example. 10, 20, 30 and is 10 in A. Okay, if it's 10 in A, it shows the value as true. If there is no 10 in A, it shows the values as false. Now there is no 40 in this. Okay, I will check is 40 in A. You got the output as false. Okay, this is how this membership will be used. Okay, hope you guys have understood about these basic operations in list. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment below. I'll be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.